Hi everyone, welcome back to Rusty. Just working on it today. Plan today is carrying and repairing all this rot just here. Planning on making it, well, its width is what the plates are that I have, which comes to about here somewhere. So I've also got to work with it and somehow make all this nice indentation with the hole. I want to take it in as far as I can, just here. So that means that the seat mount has got to come off. It's completely rotten anyway. Just a second. It's completely rotten, as you can see. So I'm going to just chisel through the rest of that lip, chisel up here, chisel down there, and just bend it back. I'll take it off at a later date and then either source another one, because you can see here it's actually rotted all in the corner. We'll see. Yeah, it's good, at least you can see it. Camera might shake a bit. Right, that's that bent back, and the rot actually spreads quite far underneath, to be honest. It looks like what I'm going to be having to do is just repair up to wherever I can, and then at a later date, once it's actually got the inner sills, outer sills back on, so it's got some strength, brace it up a bit more, and then actually take the ones out that go that way. That way you can actually repair underneath. Yeah, it's actually quite bad. See, this bit here don't matter. That don't actually matter just there, because that's coming off anyway. Put my earmuffs on. I can see a bit better what I'm working with now. So that whole thing is completely politely said, add it. Don't want to cut it off yet. Want to make a template so we can actually get it more in the right place. I'm going to come back in a minute once I'm actually making the template. Right, I'm going to be listening to music while I make this template, so I'm going to be fast forwarding here and put music in or whatever. I've nailed it. Figured it out. It's not 100% perfect, but I've done it. I've got the shape to go down. Where I did struggle with is the piece here was too long to go into the vise, so hence why it's a bit wobbly there. But yeah, sorted it. Now when you look underneath, it's a bit hard to see on camera. You got the reflection of the skylights above. There you go, there you can see it. You can see it clear as a bell now. Check the focus on this camera, ain't it brilliant? So yeah, that is actually pretty good. I'm happy with that. If it fits. We gotta take it. For God's sake, why does it go down? Sit in there. Once the old scrap is cut out, that'll actually look quite good. Yeah, fair enough, it's not actually perfect 100% with the original, but considering I've done it myself and I'm actually learning, I'm not no like skilled metal worker or anything, I'm quite happy with that. This is where it probably gets wrecked when I actually try and put that shape in, because I know that is going to be quite hard, but we'll see. I'm going to actually have a go at that off camera so I don't look completely stupid. Yeah, if all goes well, I'll be back in a minute to show you it being ready to be welded in. I'm actually using my old hammer anyway, and my old jack. This top of the jack actually seems to be working quite good actually. It's starting to put the shape in. Probably going to need a lot of fine tuning, but we'll see. Right, here we go, that's that all tacked in. You can see it's got all the nice lip going down. Contour pretty much follows around. You can see that I've actually made it a little bit wrong on this corner, so I'm going to just have to curve that around a bit more once it's welded in. But other than that, just with it tacked in, look how solid it's actually gone, just with it tacked. So yeah, let's get on with welding it. Same again, because you're doing a butt weld, you're going to have to just tack weld it to make the bead up rather than seam weld. But it is what it is, I suppose. Hi, welcome back. To show you what I've been up to. Let's take it down. Well, that's that piece welded in. The lines follow around nicely. Still got to put the hole there for the drain plug. The welding ain't 100% the best for the reason you're doing a butt weld. Right. Just tack the next piece in. I've had to peel the lip up because this I don't want to be cutting it off. When the time's right, I want to drill the swatwood out and take the whole thing off in one lump, one piece. You can see here, I'm overlapping it here. Just got to cut it, then it'll be level. So it'll be have a butt weld. Just here, I'm planning on leaving that like it is for now until this piece is off. Then I can shape it round properly. So just gotta get that bit welded in, and then follow on down, and then I can get the inner sill welded on. Then that should actually add quite a lot of strength into the centre of the car. Then I can do the other bits on this floor pan. But yeah, I'm absolutely chuffed about that swage I've created. Well chuffed with that. The only issue I've got is the floor pan. Got to find a way of putting it on that floor pan yet. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. I'm planning on making a pair of pliers and make the male and female end for it, and then take time and go across, a bit like the step tool that I made. So yeah, I'm going to come back in a minute once that's all welded up. Hello, welcome back. That's that piece all welded in, apart from, as I explained, the bit just here. I'm going to wait until this reinforcement's off. From when I made this piece, it was actually a bit longer, like so. So I've just cut it down to get rid of this piece where it had a really bad lip. And same again, gonna get that welded in. So yeah, just try and set it up so it stays recording. So just there. Here, yeah, so you should be able to see, pretty good. Zoom in a bit, here you go. Cool. Right, let's get my gloves on, and we should get this tacked in. That needs a tiny trim just there. Just there like so. That there is nice and level. Level with the bottom as well. Need to make sure that's nice and level. That's nice and level with the bottom. Motherfucker. this is the bit that tests the time as well, making sure all the lines are perfect, lined up. You don't want to look at the bottom of the sill and then it's going like that. Cool. So it's good to use these and then bring it nice and level with the top, like so. Sometimes that happens and you just can't help it. Should be good enough. Why is it moving so slow? Alright, there you go. Right, I think that will do for an update video on Ruster. So I should catch back up with you in the next video, when hopefully we'll be repairing the rest of the rear and getting the inner sill on. That should be quite good. That will definitely put quite a bit of strength back in her. So much work ahead to do, but bit by bit, tiny bit by bit, she'll get done. So yeah, see you in the next one and see you later.